We're going to take this generic brand builder, all right, with a brand you have never heard of, and we're going to turn it into our own brand, Grit and Grind NYC, all right? Hats, t-shirts, sweatpants, hoodies. Let's go over here. More t-shirts, hats, the whole 9 yards, and we're going to do it in seconds with the power of AI. Let's go. Guys, if you're trying to start a brand, clothing business, t-shirt business, anything like that, what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. If you don't know me, I'm Gary, your friendly neighborhood t-shirt guru, and this is T-Shirt Help Desk. Let's get it. Guys, there are tons of platforms out here where you can do designs. You got Photoshop, Illustrator, you got Midjourney, all these things where you put them all together and you can build something great. But what if there's a platform that has everything? All right. Let's go into Kittl. All right. Let me put my glasses on, my sexy specs, and let's open up Kittl. And as you guys all know, you can go to templates. You can go to merchandise, t-shirts, hoodies, all this good stuff. And I mean, you can go through here and you literally can just pick one of these things and start a line right overnight. Like I've talked about this several times. Okay. However, I want us to go, all right, I'm going to go back up here to discover, and I want us to go down, right? And you're going to see this thing right here, Kittl Flows. Okay, you want to click on that. And so if you go down here and you look at this, right, all these things look really interesting, but there's something like very powerful going on right here. Because you're looking at this stuff like, yeah, whatever. This is coffee. This is a woman with some dolphins. This is a guy who looks like he's out in the cold. But everything you see can be translated into your brand. Okay? Like everything that you see can be an entire story behind your brand. Things that it would take you a lot of time, a lot of effort, hiring freelancers can be done in like minutes. So we're going to go into one. All right. There's a few here. And let's go to this one right here. And once you find one, you want to click on Use Template. You see this one is called Brand Builder. But everything you see right here can be the building blocks, not only for your brand, but for your website, your social media, everything. So everything that you see could potentially be something that can show up for you. Imagine the time that you're going to save, right? Having everything already done for you. So let's just say you look at this like, yeah, but that's not like, what is that? SC? I can't even read that. Let me show you something. We're going to go out. And you see this right here? New project. I'm going to show you how you can build a brand from scratch and how powerful Kittl is. You want to just go to create. I'm going to click off that. Now, right over here, you're going to see this, right? It just says chat, but it's not just chat like, hey, how you doing? This is actually Chat GPT. Very powerful. So you can click right here out of the way, right? Let's just say you wanted to build a brand and your brand is like a New York City streetwear brand, but you want to have a little bit of fitness in it too. It's like a hybrid brand. So let's go right here. I need a name for a NYC based streetwear brand that infuses working out and pumping iron. right? So it's going to come up with names. I am Pulse NYC. I like that. Can you give me at least 10 more options? Grit and Grind. I like Grit and Grind. I like Grit and Grind NYC. No more done deal records. Let's go to the next thing. Now, within our likes, there's a few things that we have. There's a bunch of templates, but let me show you this. These are a bunch of almost like logo-based things. And you can go right here. Let's see. Now, guys, if all this AI stuff is intriguing to you, if you really want to learn it, Tshirt Help Desk has courses that will walk you through it. Everything from ChatGPT, ideogram, Photoshop, Image Presto, Leonardo, Midjourney, rasterization, you name it, we have you covered. All right. Now, guys, remember, don't worry if AI is going to take your job. Use AI to quit your job. Links in the description. Now let's get back to this video. And sign up for the Tshirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-shirt business quick start guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in description. Just gonna go click around and find one. And when I find one I like, I click use template. And you're gonna see there's a bunch of them. So I'm gonna open a few of these and I'm gonna find stuff that I like and just change it around to suit our new name. So to open, and I'm going to change this one to 2 G's for Grit and Grind. All right. Then I'm going to click and I'm going to change this one to Grit and Grind at the top. And on the bottom, I'm going to change it to New York City. This one I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to change it to 2 G's. It's a type lockup, and I really like this one. So this Wild and Free, we're going to change it to Grit and Grind. I'm going to copy the and, bring it down here and change that to NYC. And there you have it. So we're going to go into this flow, and I'm going to go down here and click to make a new artboard. We're going to make a new artboard right here, and then we're going to go click and we're going to change the background to black because I'm going to copy and paste all those graphics that I did onto this page. And here they come right now. Nice. We have all of those here on this page. So we can go to this Grit and Grind right here. We're going to copy. We're going to go right here and we're going to paste. Now that we have this right where that one was, that one is gone. So let me show you something. We can go right here and click on this guy. We can go right here and click on this guy, and this is going to show up, all right, which is the original prompt that was used. And I can go in and click on that, and I can say, generate again. Now, it went from that other logo to my logo. And guess what? You can do this time and time again. Let's keep this going. So I hope that you guys are beginning to see what is going on here. In a minute, I'm going to show you several different, this is just one flow. Okay, this is a Kittl flow. This is just one flow. And you can see how you can do something like this over and over again. And imagine, right, let's just say that, like this one, better days ahead, okay? We're gonna replace that once again. Okay, and we're gonna go right here. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna generate again. Look at that. Let's do another one. Daily grind. We're gonna go here, replace that. We copy and pasted that one down there because we're gonna do this. We're gonna go right here and then we're gonna do this again. So guys, the process is really simple, okay? You go in, you paste your art that you want, and you simply update the prompt. It is so simple. All right. Now right here, the that Grit and Grind NYC with the type lockup. I'm going to take the one on top, and I'm going to take that arc and arch, and I'm going to put it on this one down here. We're going to make a new graphic. I just like the boldness of the 2Gs on that one. All right, and this is how simple you can make and create graphics in Kittl. All right, you see that right there? That's a brand new graphic. So let's take that over here. So once again, the process is simple. You take what they have, and we're going to delete it, and we're going to paste what we just made. You can size it however you want to. You click on the image, and you go down, and you pull up the prompt, and you simply press run again, and bang, look at that. Now the one down here is virtually the same, so we're just going to delete it, and we're going to go back over here, and we're going to grab 2 images, and we're going to delete these 2 images in the box, and we're going to replace them with our Grit and Grind images. I'm going to click on the image and run the prompt again. And bang, just like that, we have a whole new line. So you can zoom in and let's zoom out a little bit and see how I use something that was already pre-built to build the look and feel of an entire brand. All right. So if you have your graphics, if you have your logos or whatever, you can build it here. But if you have something already and you're like, how am I going to do my social media? What am I going to put on my website? Right here is what you can do. But let me just show you a few others just to get your mind in the right place. Check out this one. If you have a workout line, look at this. Everything that you see here, instead of this logo, you can add your words. This could be on your website in literally seconds. Let's zoom in here. Look at what you can do. Everything here can be yours. All right, for your website, for social media, TikTok, whatever. I mean, look at this. This one right here is built for T-shirts. Let's zoom in. You could take one thing and turn it into all of these things. And here's the thing. It takes a lot of the thought out of it. You can be creative and come up with something new. But right here, you can even come up with, if you have one word, you can come up with different interpretations and see which one works best if you're trying to figure out the look and feel of your brand. Guys, I mean, it just does not stop. Look at this one. Look at this one. For you guys that do drops, let's zoom in. I'm showing this for you guys. And one thing, when you're doing this, you have to use your imagination, all right? And put in what you want to put in and get all of these great looking things. And you can tell it you want the model to change or whatever. This literally changes the entire game, guys. So this is called Kittl Flows. All right, because everything is built for you and you just flow from one thing to the next, guys. This is the future of AI. This is where it's going. And if you're one of those people and you don't want to use AI, guess what? You stupid. Exactly. So anyway, there's going to be a link for all of this down in the description box. And I'm going to have the link to this flow down in the description box, guys. Don't worry if AI is going to take your job. Use AI to quit your job. I'm Gary. I'm going to put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. I'm out. God bless. Peace. Guys, if you ever wanted to talk to me, if you are having an issue with anything in the t-shirt industry, you can contact me at clarity.fm or hop on a call and figure whatever your issue is out. That's clarity.fm/Gary Ajane.
T-shirt help desk.